Hey guys, well it's about November, I think 6th or 7th today. And as you can see, the garden has snow all on it now. We got a nice bit of a snowfall last night and the day before. Everything's looking pretty sad now. But I've got some salanova lettuce here I need to finish harvesting. I've had it under cover, so hopefully it wasn't too cold that it frosted and killed it. I think it should be okay. So I'll take you over there, show you my last harvest of the season. And actually I got a few carrots left still under cover, so they should be alright for a while. But we will come here and check this out. Let's see how they are doing under the covers. I haven't been out here in a few days, probably longer than that. But they're going to be pretty tiny because it's been cold and they haven't really been growing. And I'm sure something's been trying to eat them. Yeah, it looks like squirrels, something's been under there digging them up. But there we go. We have enough there to do a small harvest there. And this one over here, these guys are going to be nice because they've been under the nice greenhouse there. So we'll harvest those now. And I got some more over there as well. I'll check out in a minute. There's no point wasting this stuff, so may as well get her cut up, take her home. Yeah, it feels a little crunchy, so good thing I'm getting it now. And hopefully save it. Be ashamed to waste all this delicious lettuce. One down to these guys here. Put them all in here. Not sure if that's easy to see or not. There we go. So it's amazing how with the roll covers on how long you can extend your season here and have fresh veggies right into the cold season here. So I'm just going to leave these guys all uncovered after this because they're not going to grow anymore. So some of them are starting to wilt a little bit, but that's okay. That's why we're here. We'll save them for ourselves. And it's amazing how well the hoop house does. Keeps the snow off them, keeps them warm in here, and just really extends the season there for you guys in your cold climate areas. So I'm here in Coboconk and Kawartha Lakes here, so it's, yeah, this feels a bit crunchy on the bottom, a little frozen. So this is definitely the end of my season now. Last year, I think I was able to get another week or two out of it. But these guys are definitely a little crispy. They've definitely froze a bit. But that's okay. Take them home and see how they are. And lettuces too, guys, they do well in the colder weather, so you can usually plant them the first things and last things and have them last a bit longer than, say, your like tomatoes and things like that. Tomatoes would have been died off in all this cold long ago. So there you go, guys, just my last little harvest here at the garden. So sad that the season is over for us here in Ontario. But if you guys are out there still in Ontario, some more crops still coming, please leave in the comments what you've still got. Pretty excited to hear how long people can get their crops going for the winter. So there we go. I'll try to do some more videos throughout the winter of things I'm doing inside and whatnot to show you upcoming things. So don't forget, guys, have fun out there gardening, especially if you're down there in the south, in the States, and anywhere else in the world there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening, guys. We'll see you soon.